Right, here I am at the steam engine section, but at the moment I'm actually waiting for the steam engines to like finish moving, because yeah, I don't want to get in the way of one of these. They're not fast, but they're pretty heavy. They must be like 5 tons each or so. Right, we're going to go around to this one, because this is the reason I'm here, is the steam engines. And that looks like that is a Foster. So a William Foster and Co Limited of Lincoln. So not really sure much about them. Never really. And I've seen a fair few Sentinels, I've seen a fair few Fodens, and also, what's the other one? The Invictors, or Aveling and Porters as they're known. So this one's a Foster. Looks like a road tractor of some kind. Right, I don't know which way he's going to go, but that looks like an Invictor, so that's a Aveling and Porter steamroller. So obviously you don't want to get in the way of any of these. These are quite heavy beasties. For this, by the looks of the paintwork, it's Hinckley Rural District Council. One, where is Hinckley? Two, what was a rural district council? What did they do? Actually, what does any council actually do? But this one says pride of the road. And there's Aveling and Porter, which come from Rochester. It's got the Invicta badge on the front of it. I think the movements might have ended. And there's a good bit of parking. Yep, thought it was Invicta. Oh right. Yeah, so that's a Invicta, Aveling and Porter. Note the prancing horse and the. Are those acetylene headlamps?
As magic would say.
Look at that. Right, if we go up here, what is this? It's a John Fowler Beebe Brothers Steam Plough Works. But that's definitely not a steam engine at the top. Seems to have been retrofitted. Oh, wait a minute. This must have been one of these ploughing engines. You get one at one side of the field, you get another one at the other side of the field, and you got this sled with the plough on it, and you switch the sled. When you get to one end, switch the sled and it just gets pulled back. They have to signal each other by whistling. I've seen one of these at a ploughing match, but I noticed the engine's been retrofitted. Looks, I don't know whether it's a petrol engine or a diesel of some sort. I'm going to have to ask. But there's the, so that was originally a John Fowler, but the engines above it seems to be stuff. What is that?
What does that come into that? What ton is that? How heavy is that? Yeah.
Nothing to say.
Yeah, heavy. No.
Oh, and weight.
Yeah.
3 ton.
Ton, yeah.
With them tires on it.
Yeah.
If you weigh it once, it's about 8 to 9 G.
I'm just having a look at. I'm just having a look at the. I noticed there's the boiler still there, but the end. You're right there.
Yeah.
On the back, there's a board about it.
Yeah, because I noticed the engine above it seems to have been retrofitted. Right. The engine, because you got the boiler there, and then looks like a diesel engine. It looks like, but you got the grill off a Fordson Major.
Yeah, they're 2 radiators upside down.
Oh right.
Where did the fuel tank come from?
I haven't got to there yet.
Stole it off of someone's lorry one night because it's full of
Well, diesel's expensive, so I can forgive that. Yeah, because the bit below it looks like one of these ploughing engines. So you'd have one at one side of the field, and then you have one at the other. I've seen them being demonstrated.
All the bottom is original.
Yeah, that's a John Fowler, I think.
The engine, and that's it. Had an engine planted up there. They've altered a few cogs on one side, but that's how it is.
Yeah, because
Get all them gears here, all exactly the same. It's a John, as it would be steam.
yeah, because I noticed it probably was used as a ploughing engine, because you notice the cables, and there'd be one of these on one side of the field,
well, I got-
and one of these on
He
the
was
other,
out
and it
like
just
that last
pulled.
week ploughing, that's why it's all shiny. I was out last weekend at Langport Steam Rally.
Okay, because
Done 8 hours of work.
I've seen something like this, but with the original steam engine, at a ploughing match on the Netley Marshes
Oh, yeah.
over
Yeah,
Kent. They were demonstrating how it was done
yeah.
before people got tractors, trying to save horses, I suppose.
Yeah, that's what it was made for. You can plough a fair bit of ground in the day.
Yeah, I bet.
Keep going.
Although they were,
Especially with a 6-furrow one. I had a 6-furrow plough, but I sold it. Got rid of that.
yeah, because I think there was like a sledge with the plough on it, and it would be one way as it's coming, and then they flip it,
That's
and everybody
it.
get.
And
And
you
it's
go to
just,
the bottom.
but the thing is though, because the people demonstrating it aren't as well trained as say the farmers that used to use this, they did muck
Yeah, I know.
about a bit.
They're a bit heavy to tip up and down the old plough. You have to give it a bit of a pull with the engine. Get it balanced to make it tip.
See, put it round.
Yeah.
I think next time I see it I might tell them that.
Have you got much? Because the diesel's stored in the boiler, isn't it?
Hey, what?
The diesel fuel's in the boiler, isn't it?
No,
There's
there's
nothing in there, but nothing in there at all.
Nothing at all.
That's the diesel tank. That's the metal one.
Oh, I've just read the
German
side of
lorry.
it. IB code. That's what
My
the
mate
tank
does
says.
that. I ought to get the other one mended, really. Send it away somewhere. You've got a good man. It was soldered round.
So there's all the tubes.
That is an interesting beast.
Still tubes.
It's still quite heavy.
Yeah, it is, really. Yeah, there's a big
That was the engine. I stepped the lorry chassis all the way up and bolted onto the top of the barrel.
What I remember last year, it was round here.
Well, onwards for me. But yeah, it's a rather interesting. How far away from here does this usually go? Does it go
I'm going to Langport next weekend.
Langport? That's
60 miles from my house at Hook. Last week it was 90 miles to Somerset, there and back. Well,
yeah.
2
I'm
ways.
just trying to think. The nearest steam rally to me is actually Woodchurch, Kent.
Oh yeah, I don't go that way. I've been down that way, not much.
Excuse me, a bit illegal with your tyres, huh? No, the racing slicks.
Yeah, they're alright.
As long as nobody spots it. You only say sorry if you get caught.
How tall is it? How tall is that?
It's 13 foot on my low loader. 13 foot 4 or something, 6. Not too bad.
That is
Bridget Salisbury.
what a heck of a beast that is.
It's a monster, isn't it? Just. Way much bigger than all the BB ones.
And what's it used
And it looks big because it's got tires on it. Mostly that BB one engine.
So there's the back end of it. Right, I'm going to swing round to the next one, which is a Invicta. So Invicta steamroller, another Aveling and Porter. So it's Aveling and Porter. It's got the headlamps on it. Steering mechanism. What the? See how that's better parked up than. Yeah, so that used to be with Staffordshire County Council, this one. This is when they used to bother repairing roads. And there's another Invicta by Aveling and Porter. This one is with Tamfield Urban District Council. What the heck is an Urban District Council? So it's a Aveling and Porter Invicta steamroller, and here's a couple of miniature Fodens. Next to that, if we move down a wee bit, is a Sentinel DG6. The Sentinels were quite quick for a steam engine of their time. These things could actually shift. That one I saw, I think it was Parham Park on the 13th of July. That was one that went really fast, and that was a Sentinel. Just trying to think what it was. It had Shepherd Neame cut decorating on it. We go a bit further down, we see a Foden steam wagon. Must have been really hot work during the summer driving one of these. It looks like WJ King. There was a miniature version of one. Ah yeah, the miniature version's just over there. So if we go a bit further down, we see another Foden steam wagon. John S. Lee Steam Threshing Haulage, Pride of Burley. We're going to go down a bit further now because there's some more steam engines down here, and this is the reason I'm here. This one's called Lord Kitchener. It's a steamroller of some kind, and I think Bridport Foundry Ironworks. Not sure what this one is, so I'm going to have to read up on it. Looks like there's another Sentinel along here. Actually, is there? Oh wait a minute, let's have another look, because that, wait a minute, it's a John Fowler. That's a John Fowler. Yeah, so it's a John Fowler, and if we have a look on it, lovely bit of Latin, but I don't understand Latin very well. Right, we see another Sentinel 6-ton steam wagon. Yeah, so this is a Sentinel. Yeah, so there's a Sentinel. Which one's this one? Well, here's another Sentinel, but it's not. Is it a? I think this must be a DG6. I think. The Gaslight and Coke Company. Wait a minute, have I seen this one before? Must have done. The one on the left comes from the Isle of Wight. Someone's trying to reverse out a diesel steam engine thing. Right, we're going to continue down there. There's a steam engine here called Perseverance, and it's an Aveling and Porter Invicta steamroller. And this is when they bothered to repair the roads properly. Way back when. Right, this is a Fordson Major, early style. Right, just had a nice old look at it, because I'll be looking at tractors either today or tomorrow. But this is a Foden steam wagon, New Forest Cider, Burley, Totton, Hampshire. That's quite local. Yeah, it's quite a local one. There's a Foden steam wagon. Right, if we just go down here, because I'm going to try and get a view of this steam engine here, which I don't know what the heck it is. Yeah, so I think this must be another, I don't know what this one is. I'm going to have a closer look. I don't know if it moves at all. No way of actually riding it. It says that's a Roby and Co. So this one's a Roby and Co. But I don't know what. It's not one of these moving ones, is it? So what is it? I'm going to have to read up on this. So there's another Roby just here, and this. Yeah, so this is Roby and Co. Never heard of them actually. Right, here we see a Wallace expansion engine. Just about here. And there's another Wallace expansion engine to its right, which I'm going to show you. This one's called Vectis. This one, does it have a name at all? Doesn't look like it. Ah, we found a Burrell. We found a Burrell steam engine here, and it's a road locomotive. And it looks like there's two cylinders in it, like one ickle one and one big one. Expansion. So compound, in other words. Right, we're going to make our way down a bit further because I just spotted a, looks like a Ransoms, Sims and Jeffries of Ipswich, and it's called General Wolf. Next there's a miniature version of the Pride of the Road. There's some construction stuff there. Weight's 9 tonne and JCB. And I've just spotted an Austin A30 or A35 van. There's some more steam engines around the corner, so I'm going to go down towards them. This looks like a Bentley. Look at that. That's a nice. That is nice. Caterpillar over there. Right, here's a looks like a miniature Garrett. Yeah, looks like a miniature Garrett steam engine. So must be a. Oh. Right, I'm going to go down to over here now, past the ambulance, whatever it is, because there's some more steam engines down here. And I've not fully explored this site yet, so this is a Burrell steamroller. And this is a Fowler. It's a Fowler steam engine, 10 tonne Progress. Yeah. And it's a steamroller, so you would make a lot of progress. Right, we see what's this one? This one's unusual. It's a steamroller of some kind. And it looks... Right, so now we've got a view of the steamroller. I'm going to go find out what the heck this is. And it's a Zettelmeyer welded. No, it's a Zettelmeyer. So obviously, yeah, Hubert Zettelmeyer AG. So it's obviously must be Germany or something. Not really sure. I've never seen a steam engine from Germany. This is a Clayton and Shuttleworth of Lincoln. It's a road tractor. Here we see an Invicta, probably one of these road tractors again. Little Lucy. So probably made by Aveling and Porter. Here's another Aveling and Porter Invicta road tractor. So that's obviously a compound, so's this. Here we see a Fowler steamroller. Look at that. Now what is this? This is actually a Nelson steam car. So some cars would have run on steam or electricity or petrol or anything else they probably fit. If I think about it, I wonder what happened to steam cars. I know they're reviving the idea of electric, but yeah. So this is actually a Nelson. When was this? That is something, in it. That is quite something. Right, this is where I end the steam section, because I'm just going to go to another section now.